And of course, my motivation again of the Pakistan I wanted to see was based, and I'm a student of history, Islamic history especially, was on the Prophet, or Prophet peace be upon him, the state of Madinah, which he created. Now, why do I say the state of Madinah? Because the state of Madinah laid the foundation of one of the greatest civilizations in the history of mankind. The principles that found the foundation of the state of Madinah is what for the next 700 years was the greatest civilization on earth. And what were those principles? The state of Madinah was founded on incredible principles of justice and humanity. It was the first time a welfare state was made. A state that took responsibility of the weak. What China has done right now. That was the state of Madinah, where first time a state took responsible for its poor, its weak, its orphans, its widows.